Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I felt like doing my hair. Y'all, I have been in protective styles for about a little over a month now, and my hair is super dry. I did a wash and go, y'all, but I didn't really do one. I ain't really deep condition or like properly moisturize. I really just slapped the Eco Styler gel on it because I was in a rush. But I just got some new stuff from Sephora because I was like, let me see what y'all is talking about on TikTok. They've been talking about a whole lot of different like hair treatments for color and stuff. And since I have color, I also wanted to repeat the Olaplex treatment. You guys know I have it, the Olaplex. This is actually an old one, but I want to use the rest of this. So I'm just like trying to get all that down. But I went ahead and bought another one. And this is the Olaplex Hair Protector number 3. And I also have the number 0 so that I could put this on first and then go in with the 3. This product I saw on TikTok. I didn't see a lot about it, but I was just on the Sephora website when they was having the Vib sale. So I was like, you know, let's just get something. So I got this K18. And it's apparently some kind of new science technology for your hair or whatever. But it's just a leave-in mask. But it's supposed to basically repair your hair. And it's really made for color-treated hair. But that's what it say, friend. So I just bought it. Like, ain't nothing sponsored in this video. I just really was buying shit, okay? And then I went ahead and got the Olaplex Bonding Oil. Because all these claims on here, I'm like, y'all talking a lot of junk. Talking about reduces frizz and flyaways, extends color, heat protectant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It shortens the drying time. It softens and detangles, UV protection, all of that, y'all. Like, what? I got the oil from Olaplex as well. This is what it looks like. Actually, I haven't even opened this K18. This is what this looks like. Then they have a little, you know, pump. All right, well, let's get to it, y'all, because I got a lot to do today, and I'm like, listen, if we can do the hair, we can do this hair. And y'all see, I got like crusty gel. Let me just get it together. I'm gonna read all the instructions because I don't want y'all to be like, you did it wrong. They apply this, saturate from root to tip with this, leave on the hair for 10 minutes, don't rinse it out, and then go in with the number 3 and wait 10 more minutes. And then rinse, shampoo, and condition. Okay, bet. All right, we have it all sectioned and nice. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, my hair is tangled, okay? My hair stay on Tangleville, okay? So might be a little crunchy trying to get through it. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it through the roots first, y'all. Just get it nice and in there. Hopefully that'll help me out with the separating. Rub that in there. And I'm also gonna separate some more. See, it's very tangly. That's what we're working with today. But I haven't moisturized my hair in a while. It's gonna take some time for me to wet all this hair. But I'm gonna make sure I get it coated on all of my strands. Y'all, they did not have curly hair in mind when they made this step 1, because this still taking forever to saturate these strands. Like, honey, I needed to apply water for this, especially that little squirt coming out of there. But I'm doing what I can. This is it saturated. I try to do the best I can, but it's a little hole, so I'm trying to make it a little bigger. So it's just like a liquid-based product, y'all. So it's not like anything creamy. It's really just like water, basically. It's the first step to getting your hair right. So we gonna do it. All right, I think that's enough. Moving on. Okay, y'all. So I've saturated all of my hair, and I'm sure it's been 10 minutes because it took me about 20 minutes to get this done. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna go in with the second step and put this number 3 on. So this is like a creamy consistency if y'all haven't used it before. I'm just using the last little bit of the old one I have, like I said. And then we'll go to the next one. Now this is a temporary type of treatment, so this isn't gonna be something that's gonna like miraculously help your curls and it stay like that. You gotta use this once or twice a week. And this thing is not cheap. It's not that realistic to use this product a lot. However, I mean, it does make your curls look temporarily nice. So there's that. But the next product that I'm using now, it's supposed to do some long-term health for your hair and keep your curls popping. So we're gonna see. This is what my curls are looking like so far. My curls in the back they're not even damaged or so in the back. But in the front, y'all know he put that extra color up here. And that one I need to really repair. Gotta repair. So I'm only really applying it to the color because I don't want to use all the products, especially on my new growth anyway. So it's like, I'll just use it on the color. So I'm just really making sure I put the number 3 on my color. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Let me give you a 360. I'm gonna let this sit. I need to stop running my hands through it. I can't help it. Trying to make sure it's on every single strand, which it is now. Okay, so just say leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes. So it says longer if desired, and then rinse the hair for best results. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for a minute, let it do its thing. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower because I need to go ahead and do this one. So it says to shampoo, do not condition, towel dry. So I'm going to go in the shower, I'm gonna shampoo, towel dry, and then we're gonna come back out and do this product. So it says begin with 1 pump and add more as needed depending on length, thickness, and condition. Work evenly into the hair from ends to roots, 1 pump at a time. Let sit for 4 minutes to activate. Do not rinse out. So this will actually just be my leave-in conditioner. I guess I can't deep condition. It says do not condition. Oh my gosh. All right, so just shampoo and then just put this on as my leave-in. That's a little, but I guess it's gonna do what it needs to do. So yeah, that should be a pretty quick wash day. I think from there, I don't know how I want to do my hair today. I don't know if I want to do wash and go or what, but we'll see after I put that product in. But anyway, let me let this sit and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like after letting it sit for like an hour. My curls are definitely popping. I'm gonna get close so y'all can see. These are the lighter pieces that were in the front that was looking a little cray-cray. That was still looking a little cray-cray. But hopefully the next treatment's gonna get you, okay? But yeah, it looks good. So anyway, I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna do the Red Cant Aesthetic Bonding Treatment Shampoo. It looks like this. Since they said to go in with a shampoo, I'm gonna go in with that and then come back out here and apply this. All right, you guys, so I've already shampooed and I just put this towel on. All right, so we're all dried out. Just gonna section this off. I don't know how concentrated this product is. It says start with 1 pump. I'm like, 1 pump for who? That's 1 pump. It smells like lotion. Okay, I think I want to apply this one in these 4 sections. I don't know about 1 pump though, like what that gonna do? And since this product is very expensive, y'all, I think this K18 product, I think this is like $70. Yeah, but I mean, I guess this product doing what it's supposed to do, honey. I don't know. Let me just roll this back up so I figure it out, because I feel like it's just gonna get poofy. But for $70, I thought I was gonna be able to put it on there and then see the results immediately. It's my one pump. Oh, that's a pump. Okay. Okay, there's quite a lot of products. Quite a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna concentrate this on my color as well, because this is an expensive product and we're really not about to be wasting none of this stuff. So I would say 1 pump per section for curly hair. Yeah. Cause 1 pump for your whole head, yeah, not gonna happen. Nah, not happening. All right. I decided to do a braid out. I haven't done a braid out in so long. I already did one braid. I wanted to mention my little thing. I don't know if I said anything about this. This is a self-grooming mirror. It has 3 mirrors and you just hang it on the back of your door, right? And then you have your mirror that's in front of you, right? Because you're in the bathroom, and you can see all around your head so that you can park straight. How cool is that, friend? So I look here and then I see all of the back of my head behind me. So love that. So yeah, I was just using the Curl Days Creamy Curl Styler. This is what it looks like. And I also did go in with the Olaplex oil that I got, the number 7, the bonding oil. I am putting a little bit of that oil on first because I want it to get in my hair. You know, it's supposed to be for color. I put that on first, and then I go in with the cream, and then I'm just doing the braid and I'm coiling the ends. Only about 4 times. Let me see if it's coming. I want it to be a thick curl on the end. I don't want it to be a tight coil. So I was just trying to make sure it stays together, but I did want it to be more like, you know, thicker. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep doing this. I don't know how many braids I'm gonna do yet, but I'll let you know. Okay, so I got the next section parted off, and I'm gonna add the bonding oil. It takes a lot just for like 1 drop to come out. Just the color, really the ends. A little bit of that cream. Starting at the roots, because that's where it needs the most product. Then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with this Felicia brush. My hair is looking kind of long for somebody who just cut their hair though. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and I forgot to show y'all the ending where I like put the rollers in my hair. Y'all know y'all saw me like do the finger coils, right? So I didn't take these out the next day. This is like 2 days after I put the braids in. And so like they smushed. And so I was like, okay, let me just redo the ends. So I like combed them out. I put a little mousse on it. I put my little rods on it. And that was in for a whole day too. And now I'm taking them out and I was like, uh-oh, I ain't your friend. Sorry. My bad, out. So that's what we doing. I already took them out. Ooh, look at that. Now, I will say these ends, they actually should have been taken out, like I said, the day after. But it's all good. I'm about to go out with Lauren. We're about to go to brunch. And so I was like, let me go and take them out, friend. I did my little workout this morning. I'm so proud of me. I'm on my grind again, y'all. I'm really trying to get back to my consistent YouTube videos. I'm gonna try. Like, I've been filming, y'all, but I don't want to post them. I don't know what's going on with me. Y'all know I don't do that. I normally just post my stuff. I don't know, girl. I feel like y'all don't really like me no more. I don't know. That's what I feel like, child. I be getting the energy from the universe. They be like, friends ain't fucking with you no more. I be like, dang, what I do? I ain't even did nothing, friend. I was just trying to live my best life, man. But I reckon I'll come back. I got other things to show y'all. And, ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh. I don't like how these ends looking because, like, what happened was I coiled them in one direction and then ended up rolling it in a whole nother direction. So I'm just taking out the braids and then I like to stretch it out, see where it separates, and then try to separate them at the bottom to avoid frizziness. I didn't want to separate it too much because with braid outs, it can start looking frizzy. But you still want to separate them. All right, you guys, this is my hair. Ooh. These ends on this side could have been a little better. This side is okay. Yeah, we gotta definitely do this over. For sure. Cause I know. And I also think I shouldn't have put foam on the ends. Like, foam is not as moisturizing. So I probably shouldn't have did that. But let's pick it out. Big hair time. So it is about, I want to say 3 days since I did this hair, and this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna be honest, I have not wrapped it at night. I don't have a satin pillowcase. I've really been just sleeping on the couch for absolutely no reason. I don't know why. It's just been wild, but I like it. Y'all know I like the big hair, but I do want to do another braid out. And I'm gonna just leave the ends how they are next time, but I think braid outs look really good. And I have a lot of hair. I'm assessing the fact that I really have a lot of hair. But anywho, this is it, friend. I just wanted to come back on camera. I'm actually gonna put a clip in. Hopefully I'll put it in before this video of how it looked that night when I had my makeup on and we were all out. We went to T.I.'s new restaurant. Highly do not recommend. Don't go. Just save your coins, sis. Watch the vlog that's coming up if you want to know more. But yeah, save your coins. Anywho, so yeah, friend, it's my hair. I love it. But now we need some more hair content. Now I feel like I got a good idea of the color and what it needs and what like is gonna help it stay strong and all that good stuff. So now we're gonna have some hair color content. If you guys are down with that, you know. I mean, if you don't want to see hair content from me no more, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? You ain't even gotta tell me twice, you know. Just let me know, though. Let me know. I like that. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're wondering about this outfit, because I know you might can't see how thick I am. You want to see? Ooh, ass jiggle. You understand, okay? This is from Gymshark. I'm gonna need a discount code because this is my new best, like, amazing gym wear. Like, this gym wear makes me feel good. It makes me feel real good. Yo. Anyway, all right, friend, I'm out. Bye. Love you. Bye.